So today I have a 2017 Toyota Corolla with the 1.8 liter engine, and there are both bad front wheel bearings, so I'm just going to be doing the right front for now, and then the customer said for next week we'll do the left front and do the wheel alignment afterwards. This is exactly same exact thing as my 2010 Corolla with the same issue, so same exact thing. They are pressed in wheel bearings in the front, so we are going to be doing that. I'm not going to make a video on this because it's the same exact thing as the 2010 Corolla. So if you are saving the hub, instead of using a socket to hammer it out, you can just use the press and press it out, as that's easier than hammering it out with the socket. And hammering it out with a socket will probably damage the hub if you're not careful. So for this 2017 Corolla, that's what I'm doing. That's what I initially did not do when I did it for my 2010 Corolla. So the way I press this out, I just use some metal bars, C bars, or on whatever you want to call it, and the pieces, the blocks that came with the hydraulic press to press out the hub. So you just got to make sure it's properly supported so you're able to press it out properly. It's coming out now. The hub is coming all the way out, as you can see. There, it's all the way out now. So earlier in the video, you are not supposed to remove the bolts for the flex hose and the ABS harness. You can leave those attached. You can just take off the sensor and then that's it. I removed it, but you don't need to, because anything that's attached to this strut, it will stay on. This is a 2017 Corolla once again, and so it's the exact same. It's based on the same chassis and the steering and suspension and everything. Everything is the exact same. Regarding the strut, on the right front side, the nuts are pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. Now if we go to the left front, for the left front, the nuts are pointing towards the front of the vehicle. So the nuts are not pointing in the same direction. I put everything back the way it was, the way it originally was for the right front. And then later, I think next week, we're going to be doing the left front wheel bearing.